NC Math 1 released items, question 17 from the calculator active portion of the released set. A set of 9 data points is shown below, 8, 11, 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 9. Which statement is true if the 10th data point of 45 is added to the data set? And pause and read the answer choices and see if you can figure out the answer. A, the mean and median will both increase. B, the mean will increase and the median will decrease. C, the mean will increase and the median will remain the same. D, the mean and median will both decrease. So you can do this without a calculator, but you got to think about it, or you can do it with a calculator if you don't feel like thinking through it. We'll go the calculator route first. Okay, if you just feel like plugging the numbers in and seeing what happens, it's not that hard. If you want to know what the mean is, you just type in mean, literally the word mean, parentheses, and just key in the numbers with commas in between. 8, 11, 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 9. And it gives you a mean of 8.222. My good friend copy and paste will give you a new line. I can put median. It does all that for you. So gives you a mean and median. And we can even jot those down. So we got a mean of 8.2 repeating and a median of 9. Well, what happens if we take out the point, if we add the point 45 to the data set? So you can just go over here and literally type in 45. So I'm just going to go ahead and comma 45 and comma 45. So if 45 were part of your data, then my new mean would be 11.9. And the new median would still be 9. So this is going to be your new. And now we can answer the question. So it's pretty easy if you just know how to enter the data in and you can get your values right from there. So the mean and median will both increase. Well, the mean definitely increases, but the median looks like in this problem it stayed the same. So since that's equal to 9, that's going to not be A. The mean will increase and the median will decrease. Well, the median stayed the same, so it's not going to be B. The mean will increase and the median will remain the same, which seems to be our answer. And the mean and median will both decrease, which we know is not true. Now, you should know on this problem that the mean is going to increase because you're adding a much, much larger number, so it's going to average in with all the remaining numbers. Now, the median is going to be usually always be pretty close, even when you add a large outlier like 45, but it may increase or decrease depending on where the middle number is a little bit. So in this case, it ended up being the same because let me correct myself. It's not going to decrease if you're adding a large number, but it could slightly increase depending on where the middle number is. You have your answer, of course, but if you're curious to know why that is. All right, as far as the median question goes, the median is not super affected by outliers, but sometimes it may increase a little bit slightly with a high outlier. So you can see the median is the middle number. In this case here with an odd set of numbers, there are 4 numbers to the left of this 9 and 4 numbers to the right of this 9. So 9 is indeed the median, right? Whereas in this one here, there's an even set of numbers. So you have to look at the 2 middle numbers and get the average of those. But since they're both the same numbers, then the middle number still is going to be 9. And so that's why in this case, the median stayed the same.